If the moisture level of your bromeliad is too high, like 80%, it can lead to root rot and stress, even with these water-loving plants, especially when the substrate is dense and heavy.
If your plant is sitting in water and the water in the leaf funnel is old, you should act now. Firstly, remove excess water from the saucer and the leaf funnels to prevent more waterlogging and rotting. Place your plant in a bright spot if it's not already. This increases the rate of photosynthesis. However, make sure that your plant does not get direct midday sun. Wait a few days until the moisture levels drop on its own. If the moisture curve does not start to drop after a few days, and/or if your plant is already showing symptoms of overwatering, the next step is necessary. Carefully remove the plant from the pot, remove the wet soil, cut off any rotten roots, and place it in fresh, well-drained bromeliad soil. In the future, water with a smaller amount of water and only when the moisture level is below 30%. Also change the water in the leaf funnels every few days to avoid unwanted bacteria growth.
Bromeliads are very sensitive to lime, so it's best to water them with rain or distilled water.